We previously showed you the leaked transparent case for the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and today we have the Galaxy Z Fold 5 case for you, courtesy of Ice Universe. I have to tell you that the case might disappoint anyone who is looking for a significant upgrade. A clear protective case designed for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 has leaked in real-life photos. Similar to the Z Flip 5 clear case that emerged last week, we can imagine what the Galaxy Z Fold 5 might look like under these newly leaked transparent covers. And matching expectations, it doesn't seem like Samsung has big plans to change the Z Fold series design with the release of the upcoming model. The only noticeable change this case reveals is that the cutout for the LED flash has moved from the bottom of the camera module to the side. It suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 5's camera housing may not be as tall as it is on the Z Fold 4, or if it is, the relocation of the LED flash may have left room for another module. As far as the overall design goes, that's pretty much all there is to say about this protective case. You'd be hard-pressed to find any other big design changes, but that doesn't necessarily mean the Galaxy Z Fold 5 won't be a worthy entry in the series. One of the key changes supposedly adopted by the Galaxy Z Fold 5 cannot be observed in these photos. Namely, the phone is said to feature a new hinge design that will allow it to fold shut perfectly flat without leaving a space between its two halves. This hinge will make the phone's book-like design look more mature and should also contribute to a thinner profile. It's an important step in the series' evolution, given that the Z Fold 4 has a 15.8mm thick profile. Samsung should also improve other aspects of the phone, including performance and the quality of its displays. However, we might not see a huge camera upgrade this year, and overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could hit the shelves more as an upgrade meant for Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Z Fold 3 owners rather than Z Fold 4 users. Samsung should unveil the new foldable flagship at Unpacked in late July or early August. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.